She comes in colors everywhere. She combs her hair. She's like a rainbow. Hey, I'll stick to growing giant pumpkins, but welcome back to worldwidegiantgrowers.com. When I talk to you today, I want to talk to you about germinating seeds and repurposing. This container here, Mark's Mixes, was cut the bottom off. We filled them up. If you link back to the last video that was done 1 week ago with Jack and Macy, we jarred these all up, got Mama Bubba's carpet all dirty. Now it's been 1 week. I walked at my office this morning, and this jar was left behind in the office as the others were moved into the gardening grow room, a garden tub. And look what I found. I found with no heat at room temperature, we run about 69 to 70 degrees here in the home. We've got 2 germinated seeds. I actually took the liberty of taking needle-nose pliers, cracked the shell off of this one, and here's another one. There was a second seed in here. The kids must have planted 2. This seed has ignited at room temperatures. No heat needed, just the right amount of moisture. Haven't watered it since. And there you go. There you have it. You can germinate giant pumpkin seeds, and that's what you're looking at here, folks. A giant pumpkin seed. This came out of a 1,177 pound genetics pumpkin, which came from my 1,947 pound Michigan State record from 2014. These are the genetics, which go back to my 1317 Clements. And look at the root, just sitting in my office, room temperature. Heat is not needed to germinate seeds. I've had them pop in a 65-degree basement, setting on dirt. So there you go. Join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com for all your veggie seeds, fertilizers, contest, family fun growing in the garden. And hey, remember, Mark's Mixes is good for all plants. You'd love a gallon of this tea for your flowers, ladies. Kelp extract, amino acids. Join us. We're having fun in the sun. We'll talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing, keep them green. And hey, don't forget, subscribe to my channel here, turn on your notifications, and follow the link and comment as we are giving away free product in 2019. Keep them growing.